Hello, welcome back. So now we want to look at multiplication of polynomials, and this is simply expansion of polynomials. Given P1 to be x, 2x minus 1, and P2 to be 3x plus 4, and P3 to be x plus 5. We are asked to find the first one, P1, P2. That is P1 times P2. So we are going to have our P1 is 2x minus 1 multiplied by 3x plus 4. When you have this, you just have to expand. So now taking it in terms, I will use 2x to multiply everything in this bracket and minus 1 to multiply everything. So let's do it. 2x times 3x will give me 6x squared. 2x times 4 will give me plus 8x. Again, minus 1 times 3x will give me minus 3x. Minus 1 times 4 will give me minus 4. And as simple as it is, we are done. So we now have 6x squared plus 8x minus 3x will give me 5x. 5x minus 4, and that is it. So you see that there is nothing much in multiplication. It's simply expanding the polynomials. Okay, now looking at the third one, we are told the second one, we are told P1, P2, P3, and this is simply P1 is 2x minus 1, 3x plus 4, and P3 is x plus 5. We are lucky enough that this has already been solved. So we just replace it and then multiply with this. If it has not been solved, then you open it one after the other. Open this one first, then use it to open the other one. So let's look at it. So we are having 6x squared plus 5x minus 4. This is because it has already been solved in the first part of the equation, and we are going to multiply it with x plus 5. X plus 5 will give us 6x squared times x. I would like to use this 6x squared times x will be 6x cubed. 6x squared times 5 will be 6 times 5 is 30. 30x squared. And we move again. 5x times x will give me plus 5x squared. 5x times 5 will give me plus 25x. We move on again. 4 times minus 4 times x will give me minus 4x, and minus 4 times 5 will give me minus 20. Okay, minus 20. So now adding up, we have 6x cubed plus 35, that is 30x squared plus 5x squared. So that will be 35x squared. 25x minus 4x will be plus 21x minus 20. And that is the solution to the problem on the board. Now, if you observe something clearly, you will see that the initial degree of this P1 is 1. That is of the first degree, and this one 1, and also P3 is also 1. But when P1 multiplied P2, we had it to be 2. And when P1 multiplied P2 and also multiplied P3, we are having it to be we are having the degree to be 3. So you can now see that a polynomial, if a polynomial of degree m is multiplied by another polynomial, another polynomial, another polynomial of degree n, then the resulting polynomial or the product, then the product will be a polynomial of degree m plus n. Let's confirm. Here we have polynomial of degree 1 multiplied by another polynomial of degree 1. So 1 plus 1 gives us 2. So the resulting polynomial becomes a polynomial of degree 2. And here we have polynomial of degree 1 multiplied by polynomial of degree 1 multiplied by another polynomial of degree 1. So we're having 1 plus 1 plus 1, and that will give us polynomial of degree 3. Thanks for watching. More example. We're going to give more example in our next video. Bye bye. See you next time. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.